Okay, we're going to look at the highest common factor and how we use it in algebra. Now, you haven't done this before in grade 8, but it's pretty darn easy, and I'm just going to show it to you right now. Where can you use a highest common factor in algebra? So we've seen something like this, like 5a plus 20b, and we know that because these are different letters, we're not allowed to combine them. They're not like terms. So there's not much you can do, but you can do something. You can factor. Well, watch what you do. You take the numbers that are in front of A and B and you look at them, 15 and 20, and you have to find the highest common factor, the biggest number that will go into 15 and 20. Now you can use all sorts of different techniques. Maybe this is 3 times 5. That's 2 times 2 times 5. Well, the only common factor is 5, and it's the highest common factor. And what we do is we write it down in front of a bracket, and then we put two things inside the bracket. This bracket means multiply. So the thing we put here is 3a, because you see 5 times 3 gives me 15a. And then the other one is we need to make 20b. And I put 5b there, and that can't be right. It must be 5 times 4b. Let's fix that up right now. Let's make that 4b. So we're going to have to put a 4 there. To make that right, it's 3a plus 4b. Let's make it nice and big. So, okay, there we go. Oof. So it is 5a plus 4b, you see, because 5 times 4b equals 20b, and that makes it true. Okay, that's called factoring. The highest common factor multiplies by the things inside to give you the original numbers, 15 and 20. Let's do one that looks a little bit harder. Here there's three numbers, 24, 60, and 36. Well, all you do is find the highest common factor of those three numbers and write it down once, right in front of a bracket, like that. So you put a 12, then you put a bracket. Now you've got to put x here because it's 12 times, that's 12 times 2 is 24. Then 12 times 5y gives me 60y. And 12 times 3z gives me 36z. So this bracket means multiply, and you're multiplying through like that. So that's how you use the highest common factor in algebra. Well, you might use it in all sorts of other places, but that's a big place right there.